Alright, what's up YouTube? In this video, we're going to be going over why ICC and break-in retest are not the same strategies. I've seen that a lot of people have said this in comments and the Discord, Telegram, and I just want to clarify that they are not the same thing, and in this video, I'm going to explain why. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both of those platforms, I am super active. I answer all my DMs on Twitter, not Instagram, because sometimes Instagram kind of glitches it, but answer all my DMs on Twitter if you want to talk to me. Make sure you also join the Discord where all the ICC members are at, and that is where you want to be for trading community. So let's get into the video. So break and retest, right? Let's say this is why ICC and break and retest isn't the same thing. Like, you can use it in some scenarios, break and retest, and compare it to ICC, but it's not the same thing because you have this happening in the market, and this is I'm gonna explain. So right under this level, right, we can see that price under this level has multiple bearish movements, such as these lows being made in the market. We can see under this level of support, so under this black line, we can see that there's multiple levels that shows us, hey, price under this level will make a spike down to the downside whenever it's under this black line. So under this black line, right, so under this black line, we know that price is going to be bearish. And we got another bearish movement here. We got another bearish movement here. And oh, look what happens here. Another bearish movement. So anyways, what I was going to say is, all right, this is the day. So let's just pull up sessions so you guys can see. Boom. Let's go here. Boom. Boom. I'm actually I'm low-key heated. Because like, bro, it's not the same thing. But anyways, so session one, this is Tuesday. Tuesday price sells off under this level. That's a guarantee because price is under a level where price is already bearish. Let me see. I haven't used this MacBook in forever. So boom, bearish under, right? So let's just say bearish under this level. So this level is the black line. I'm talking about the black line. So don't get confused, right? Bearish under the black line, right? Price is selling under this black line, right? So sells under this black line. Of course, we've already seen the scenarios. So now we have a new low in the market, right? Price makes the indication. This whole move right here is the indication. You can even use this for the sales here, and then this ending part would have been the indication too. So this would have been let's just put this here, and this would have been the indication, right? This could have been an indication, or this whole move down could have been your first move down because it made a new low. So once the new low is made, price is going to correct itself. That's just how the market works. Whenever price makes a new high, it's going to correct. And whenever price makes a new low, it's going to correct. Whenever it makes something new, it has to retrace. So with that being said, price made a new low and corrected itself. So this is why break and retest isn't the same thing, because this is the indication for me. This would have been the indication for me. And then people would have looked at this as, oh, it's a break and then a retest. And yesterday they would have got fucked. They would have got fucked. Like literally here, break here, retest at the same level. They probably would have been in profits for a bit, but not for the same target. And then would have lost that trade trying to break and retest it. So instead, that's why I let the correction happen. I don't try to, predict anything. The reason why I know the corrections are mostly done is because one, it maintains the level that it needs to maintain. So boom, we have a high here. This is an area where liquidity just kept getting grabbed up in this area here. And then as we can see, price doesn't break the highest point that it went to. This is the highest point, and then it sold off. Literally here. Highest point, and then it sold off. And when it sold off, price had sold off down to this level, and then we had a retrace, but it didn't break the high. So this is our highest point, and then this was our lowest point, and then price came back and retested in this area before selling off. So for one, the confirmation is, oh, price didn't break a high, price has a new low, price is under a bearish level. So those are three bearish confirmations to sell under this black line. That's not a break and retest. That's just price action itself telling you under this level price is going to be bearish. So stop saying it's a break and retest, because it's not the same thing. The reason why this is a correct way of entering your trade is because we already have where price is going to go. We already have what level we should have our stop loss. We already know where to enter and what to target. The reason, and I'm a matter of fact, This is telling you where to enter because price has shown you every time it's under this black line, under this level of support that was created, price makes a bearish remark. It makes a bearish indication, makes a bearish sign, whatever you want to call it. It shows you every time price is under this level of support, it's going to be bearish. So that's why we got the entry here, because we know under here is going to be bearish. We can see here when it was bearish, it made a low all the way down to this level. So we can even do this. You can target this level first. You can target this next level first, or next level second, and next level third. But I've seen where price, and you can target this level third, but I've seen price normally finish off what it started. So if it finished off with this last low, it's gonna go there first, or it's gonna be looking to go there instead of here. So when price broke out here, when price broke again, it was only looking to target here. When price broke out here and made it down to this level, when it broke out, it was trying to target here. It just keeps going more because that is price action itself. Price is bearish. So under here, there's going to be more sellers in the market than anything. So if there's no buyers in control, there's nobody to stop these sales until price gets to a point where buyers kick back into the market at a certain level, which is called a support level. If a support level is broken, that's telling me there's no more buyers in the market at this level when price breaks under here. So buyers are sitting at this black line until price pushes past it, and there's no more buyers in the market. So this entry comes from, oh, sales? That's because under this level, price is bearish. Above here, we're going to have our stop loss here because this is telling us price is not bearish because it's above this level. That's why I told you guys in Twitter today, above 18,300, we cannot look for sales because buyers are going to be in control above this level. Anything above this black line, buyers are in control. Anything below this black line, sellers are in control. So with that being said, that's why we took the entry back down to this level, because sellers are in control until this point. Sellers can play all around in this area as much as they want because they are in control of the markets under, what is this, 18,279. And we're going to target this level. And what is it going to do? Rinse and repeat. Now, at this target level, we could have took profits and still hold for partials. And now that we know that price has a new low, what is it going to do? It's going to correct itself, because now there's breakout traders at this level of support. It's going to come grab those breakout traders stop loss wherever it wants to play at. It can come all the way up here. As long as it doesn't break the structure that we came off of, then it's cool. So it can play up all in this level to grab as much liquidity as possible and then sell back off again. Because this, you know what this movement is going to do? Is going to throw traders off. They're going to start thinking buys because now price is coming back up just for it to sell off again. And that's why, man, I'm so passionate about this, man. It's actually crazy, man. It's actually fucking crazy. But this is not break and retest. So stop comparing it to whatever. It's just not the same because there's so many different factors of why you have to wait for certain moves. That's why you can't find moves every single day, because it's just different. It's just different.